Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Krissym and welcome back to your girl. So today's video, you guys, we are going to be doing a full face of LA Girl makeup. Let me show you guys what I received today as PR gifting. They sent me all of this stuff, including their new pigment mixers. I'm so excited, you guys. It's like Christmas time. So we're going to be playing in a lot of this makeup today, testing it out. They also sent me their new palettes. Ooh. Okay. And that's what their new palettes look like. I am so excited, like, to get down and play in some makeup. So let's go ahead and hop into it.
Life is what you make it. My shit been amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford.
So if you're new to my channel, you're just now tuning in, hey, what's up? Welcome to your girl's channel. My name is Krissym. We're about to get into some makeup, okay? Like I said, we got a full face of LA Girl. I actually like LA Girl. It's one of my favorite brands, especially for affordable makeup because the product is actually like amazing. It's really good quality product and I love it. So, alright, so we're gonna go ahead and prime our eyelids with this is their LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is the shade Fawn. I'm just gonna prime my eyelids. They sent me so many colors, you guys. Okay, let me go with my lightest shade and then just apply it to the lid so you can pick up some of the pigment from the palette. Alright, so we're gonna be going in with the LA Girl. This is their Hey 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 Vacay palette. You guys, these colors are stunning. Look at how gorgeous they are. So pretty. So we're gonna start off with the shade Sandals. It's this color right here, and I've honestly already started just doing a little bit because I wanted to test out the colors to see how pigmented it is, and of course it's showing up. Definitely showing up, but I'm gonna switch brushes because I really want to get that to be nice and blended well. So now I'm just going in with that color Heat, and I'm just packing it here at the corner, and I'm just going to work that all over the rest of the lid.
Nice. Talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes. Don't let it.
Okay, so my camera died. I charged it. Now I'm back. I went ahead and finished my eyeshadow, added my lashes and everything. So we're going to get straight into foundation. Now, LA Girl, they sent me like 4 different shades of foundations. I picked the 2 that's closest to my shade, which is the Golden Bronze and then the Caramel. Okay, so we are going to play around also with their foundation mixing pigments. I don't know if you guys have seen these or heard of these, but literally if you have a foundation that is off, you can mix it with a foundation mixing pigment to shift it back to your actual skin tone. So we're going to do that today, and I want to go over the colors with you. The white one is for lightening. The yellow one is for golden undertone. The blue one is for neutral. And then the orange one is for more of a warmer. So we're going to put Golden Bronze on this side. This is actually their HD High Definition Long Wear Matte Foundation. And I'm squeezing the shade Golden Bronze on this part of my stencil. On the other side, I'm going to put in Caramel. Because I want to make sure, I want to see which one actually goes correct with my actual skin tone. Then we're going to squeeze the yellow mixing pigment next to them side by side. You don't want to put it on top of it because you don't know how well it's going to mix, and you don't want to put too much as well. So we're going to put it on the side and on the side, just like that. Okay, so I'm going to use the LA Girl. This is their primer spray. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and mix the first shade with the yellow. We're just going to warm it up a little bit. I felt like it was a little bit too bright, like too golden. I feel like I have a golden undertone, but I don't want it to be that golden, that bright. So we're just mixing in that yellow for that first shade. And then for the second one, this seems like a little bit more warm, I feel like. But we're going to see which one looks good. They both have a nice little yellow to golden undertone to them. I just wanted to make sure it blends nicely with my skin tone. Okay, so I'm thinking this one may be more better for me. So I'm going to use my foundation brush. I'm going to go in with this color first because I just feel like it's going to be good. Maybe I lightened it too much. Let me blend this in. I'm gonna come right. Okay, so I went ahead and added my own foundation because the shades are just a little bit too light. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna conceal the under eye. Okay, so we're gonna use the shade Fawn. I want to say with the concealer, they don't have that many shades with the actual foundation. I'm sorry, not concealer, the foundation. They have so many shades of concealers though. So yeah, we're just gonna do it like that. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out, and then we're gonna set it with some translucent setting powder. Okay, let's go ahead and blend this concealer out. I actually use their red corrector a lot. I really love their red corrector. I haven't used the concealer in like years, but their red corrector, the orange corrector, is like my favorite, hands down, holy grail. It's actually the dupe to the Lancome orange corrector, and I really like it a lot. So just blending that outward. Okay, so they have these are LA Girl Shockwave Neon Liners. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna use this color from my waterline. So cute. Can we focus? Can we focus on this? Of how cute it is? Just a little focus. So cute. Okay, anyways, you guys, we're gonna use this for the waterline. I think this color is so pretty. These are supposed to be like waterproof. I'm gonna test them out. Go ahead and, okay, let's go ahead and add this liner up underneath our waterline. This color, you guys, oh my gosh. So it just brightens the whole eye look up. I love LA Girls liners. They have the best eyeliners. I kid you not, like they're so pigmented. They last for a long time. They are just so stunning. Wow, look at how gorgeous that is. I'm gonna fix my hair. We're gonna come back and finalize this makeup look. Okay, so we have their blush palette. This one is called Island Hottie. And then we also have the Sunlight Sensational. This is a highlighter palette. So let me show you the shades for the highlighter. So cute. And let me show you the shades for the blush. These colors, woo! So pretty. So gorgeous. Let's go ahead and add a little bit of a blush to our cheeks. I'm always up for a blush. I'm always up for a blush. We're gonna add some of the darker shades to the cheek. And you guys, I'm just playing around. I just really want to see what looks good on my skin tone. That's really pretty. Let's add some of this highlighter. Highlighter. Okay. That's really pretty. It's so nice and like a natural sunlight glow. All right, so for the final addition to this makeup look, we're gonna go in with the LA Girl. This is their holographic topper. So gorgeous. Look at this, you guys. Oh, so pretty, so pretty. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. That is so pretty. We're gonna go in with the actual setting spray. All right, you guys, that's going to conclude today's video. If you made it to the end of the video and you're feeling you're vibing with your girl, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload new videos. And I will see you loves in my next video. Bye.
Life is what you make it. I should been amazing.